Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I need soap and blender time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get a beard with the same rag.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red rag. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Ragashanti live.
Check. All right. Take it up. People big up on themselves now. I'm telling the right. I have a sore throat. You beat me. I have a sore throat. You batter me. You understand? I have a sore throat. You own me like a little unwanted stepchild, and I deal with my wicked and thing. But you don't know, man. They are seeing me and thing or whatever I want. I guess me have, hey, a long time. Eh? Yeah. Praise the boss, you know. Praise the my brother, man. Praise the Raga, you want some tea? So, yeah, praise you know, some of that work with some hot tea right, you know. Because I'm going to take out my wallet and put it down, but I have to be careful. I have a habit, I just, like my phone, and I just put them down and just forget them and walk on it. Really bad habit, you know? But I don't know what they and thing. Big up on yourself, you know, man. Everything is everything. Dirty Tony Fox, I never swallow nothing. Allow me, man. I want to that woman, yeah, man. She not go away. Big up on yourself, people. Good night. So I'm going to take time with the throat, you understand? I'm going to take time with the throat because the throat tender right, you know. You understand? The sore throat, you beat. You know that sore throat the way, like, when you cough, you get anxiety because every cough you cough, it's painful. Yeah, and that sore throat there. I don't like it. I don't like that sore throat, yeah. You understand me? And that sore throat, yeah. We not take tea at all. Anyway, big up on yourself again, you know, people. Yeah, I'm there, you know. Come on for the people, I'm train and just drive, come straight over here because, you know, we leave one thing and whatever. You can't boy, you're tired, you know. You have to come do the work, you see me? Right? That's how the thing say. Anyway, before we open the phone line, I have two phones. So the first one now, a brother, him there at work and him get a phone call from him neighbor. And him neighbor call him, and when him answer now, him neighbor say, yo, wait, them American. So the neighbor say, yo, where you at? You at work? You at your job? So the brother say, yeah. So him say, you can get off your job? Can you get over here now? And him say, wait, what? Him said, there's some dude. I have one man will live on them road. But the man drive one big truck. But them park the truck in front of the neighborhood who him a call, the truck park in front of female. But the man who drive the truck, and that's where I'm living, but the truck park in front of female. But them know the man who drive the truck. So the man named Clive, the one who I call him now, say, yo, there's some dude lying on the Clive's truck in front of your home and whatever and thing. And he must say, what you mean lying? He say, yeah, he's lying. He's like flat out lying on his stomach there, and he's just laying there. So I say, wow, go on. But you know, the brother said, the neighbor said, he's looking at your house. So the brother will get the call. I said, boy, I mean, I understand that. A dude on the Clive truck lay down flat, and I look for my house. So the brother said, yeah, man, you gotta come over here. So I said, yeah, man, I gotta come. Cause apparently him work relatively close enough and thing and whatever. So, the brother now, the neighbor tell him, say, him having gun pan him. So him say, I go and watch him. Him a watch him from film yard. From the neighbor say him a go stay in a film yard. But him a go and watch the boy. You know, so him a tell the one who him call, say, come over now, man. Come. And then the brother drive over now. So when the brother drive over now, him tell him which direction him for come from and thing. And the brother go over, the brother come on the neighbor yard side, and the neighbor come out now. And the neighbor and look scout, like, having machine and ray. So him tell the brother, say, just chop back on me, because him have a gun, So them go roll up on the brother and they be like, yo, what's up? Them say, I saw me get this of me again. So them go up to him and say, yo, what's up? And the brother said, what's up? Him say, yo, you good, man? The brother like, yeah, I'm good. So, yo, we live here, man, and you been under this truck laying down flat on them, something that like, what's up? So the brother said, oh, sorry, man, I don't mean nothing about it, It's like, my girl up to something, So, she been me a paraphrase, and I diss them say. So it's like him that say, me a Jamaican, So it's like him that say, my girl up to something, Like she been a go around me. And things, so I catch her, and I say, your girl? So what you mean? Like, with your girl? And I'm like, yeah. Oh, yeah, the right one, that man, honey ginger tea, yeah. So man, I say, your girl, so where your girl live and whatever. So him say, she live in here, so I find out in here, so she live. So the man yard, him a pipe on the same yard where him a look on. I say, so the brother say, your girl live in here, so? Him a say, yeah. So the man say, you sure your girl live in here, so? Him a say, yeah, I'm sure, man. Me and her been a date for a while right now and thing, and, she carry me go her friend them yard. Me go her friend them yard. She have two friends, and me go to friend them yard. And she tell me, say, she have fear own a place still, but most of the time she over her friend them. So I always wonder why she don't want me come over for her yard. And think at one time I trail her. And I see she and the two friends them come in at the yard there for throw. So I saw since I go to the other two friends them yard, I know I said this a for her yard. And I just want to say, what go on if any man come link her or nothing or whatever. So the brother said, how your girl look? And when him describe a girl and thing, like that the exact description of the brother wife, So man, I said, so how long you date your girl, And the man say, oh, about 4 months, And typical men, right? Most women in this instance, they might go use psych to find out how close the man is and them. So, but typical men, him go right for the sex thing. So him say, yo, so, you've been doing it with your girl? Him say, hell yeah. Remember, you know, the description, him give my man wife, you know. So, the brother now goes so bam and attack to the neighbor and say him wife name Marcia. Like him I say, yo, you know, so I go call Marcia, I make Marcia come and see what him do. And the neighbor say, yo, you sure you want to do that? And him say, yeah, but a Marcia him describe. And the neighbor say, yeah, dog, but I don't know if you sure you want to do that. And him say, yeah, man. Because anyhow, me go ask Marcia, and that a go on, Marcia could have tell me lie. So she not do nothing or whatever, boom. So him say, all right, if I that you want to do. So him tell the brother, say, him not tell the brother, say, this so him live, you know. Then him tell the brother, say, well, based upon our usual schedule, you know, she could have soon come, you know. And him say, yeah, and him say, yeah, we live here for years, man. So we know the 100 and thing over there. So the brother go over the neighbor yard. And he call him woman and tell her him man some drama about some emergency and say she have to forward. And this she have to forward and this and that and ray. And him get her for forward and thing. And when she shut and come out, and him know say she have come out, him, the husband now, you know, him come out and stand up at the gate. So when the hypothetical Marcia come now, whatever him tell her, like she rush up to him like, what go on, you all right and thing and whatever. So him say him just hold her and kiss her. And push him down in her mouth and kiss her and whatever. And then the brother just jump out from under the truck and say, yeah, wait, what the F you word, what the F is going on? What's up? And thing and whatever, and the brother just stand up there now. The other one, the neighbor come out now, you know, cause the neighbor have a gun, you know, the neighbor have a gun. So the brother jump out from under the truck and say, what the F is going on, whatever. When Marcia said the brother to right, and Marcia nearly dropped down. Them say Marcia start tremble, Marcia leg them weak out. Him say Marcia go start by saying, what are you doing? And nothing else no come out of Marcia mouth and things. So the husband say, yeah, say, what are you doing here? And thing. The husband say, yo, the man there wait for you. Him there wait for you. No, your man this. Him there wait for you. Because you and him a date for about 4 months. Una been having sex. And you can't, the husband immediately, him know which 2 women the brother I refer to, you know. So him know the name them. So obviously I charge them. So like him that say, you over Sharon and Patty all the while, and over there want to do it and them something there and whatever. And typical woman. Marcia just started one piece of cow bawling. And a beer, I'm sorry. And the brother come down for Marcia now and I say, what the F is going on, whatever. And Marcia just turn around and tell him straight like, this is my husband. And the brother, what you mean husband? You got a husband? And she said, yes, this is my husband. And, you know, in terms of language, you don't know what type of language is being used at this point. So it's like, your brother, I say, yo, you know, them have them African American term with them use. So forgot how it go. But basically a bunning. And I say, yo, you been going out on me or whatever, this and that and ray and whatever. So the brother like, what you mean going out on you? Him say, she be going out on me. I'm her husband. And the brother know I say, yo, dog, I'm sorry, man, and thing and whatever like. Me never know say she married, you know. She tell me say she don't married and whatever and thing like that. And me never know what's up and me know say something wrong, you know. That's why you see me hide out here and did a check out what I go on and thing and him, you know, and him did respectful. Supposedly. Him did respectful and thing, you know, that time the other neighbor there with a gun, you know, cause, you know, if him try anything funny, you know, say the boss I go pop off and thing and defend him nearby, you know. And whatever, Master she there and only for cow bawling. I'm sorry. So the brother must go say something like, so what's up? We gonna talk about this. So the one with the gun must have said, talk about what? You know, you need to go home, man. You need to go home and thing and whatever. And so, you know, after that, the brother said, yeah, that's true. You know, no disrespect. So the one and I chuck him did, you know, him balance up him thing after him realize when him get beat and whatever. But I guess certainly look, emotions is there, and like he must say, yo, so we're going to clarify this, we're going to talk this out and whatever. So, and basically, as a big man, nothing I going to talk about right now, you know. And then, the husband said, you need to go inside, right? Make you go whatever. But Marcia, I want to go in there. So Marcia said, like, what's going to happen? So I said, we are going to talk. And she said, yo, we can't talk out here. I said, you mean talk in the street? Look what you do. You have man hide on the chuck for me and whatever you want to talk. But afraid, Marcia afraid, you know, Marcia, I know, what am I going to do with her in there, you know, Marcia? See the neighbor with the gun, so Marcia get boom in, because Marcia know she get catch. And if fear mind, she don't know where her husband me go do and whatever. And the husband, I said, I could go talk. We need to talk out this thing, yeah. And whatever, Marcia never want to go in, and she stay out on a ball one long balling till eventually she go in and thing and them have a long talk, and Marcia says she nah do it again and whatever, and her brother frowns and thing. This is somewhere just happening, you know, and thing. But him tell the neighbor, say, boy, him nah left him wife, you know. And him say she look like she really sorry for true, and you know, she do her thing, and whatever the case may be. But again, whatever a bonner man did I go through, him never know say him a bonner man. Him thinks say him thinks a fame woman that. However, she did a run for her game. I mean, 4 months and a long time still, but you know, people can do enough things in a 4 months and really believe say them there, right? And however she did a run the game, she have the game over the other two friends them yard, right? And kind of give him the impression, say, that's what she them most of the time. Like she have a look at engine, and that's what she must. And just by luck, one day when him decide to go trailer with the two friends, that particular day, the two friends them did actually go over the for fear. Also, she live with her husband, you know. I see them go over this and trail them, you know, and thing, and then whap it back now at a different time now. I hide under the big truck, right? Look like him did plan for there for a while to see what kind of movements are going on and all them something. Only for years, you know, Marcia, make up name, Marcia, a big married woman, and the husband and thing, but look at something, you know, and days and thing. Why if all the husband did have a machine and an ignorant man and all them something there? Because one thing with them American man up here, you know, them have a style, you see. I tell you this all the while. It was the weirdest thing for me when me come to America, you know. And hear and say, man, them get vexed when them say when them go out with them woman, and if a man look on them woman and them woman look good. It's a thing up here, you know, for the man them get vexed after the other man them look on them woman. Yo, what you looking at, G? What you looking at, son? And like it's like if you step to the man or whatever, which is very different from we in Jamaica, like Jamaican man them, you know, even up here, Jamaican man them, for Jamaican men, you have Jamaica. I have a bunch of friends where that was a requirement for them. For them thing is, if them a go out with them woman must so hot that other man a look upon them woman and want, you know. It's like if the woman have that something there, they must say like, yo, I want to go on, you know. Like Jamaican men proud of that something there. As long as she not violate and as long as the man not violate, Jamaicans proud of that something there. And run joke them with the man and thing. The man them come up and say, you know, your sister look good, you know. And thing and say, oh, you go on, man, and whatever. You know, Ray. You know, them look weird and thing. But so, him under the truck, him could have did reach. Something could have did reach him under the truck. Here one next quick one, you know. This is my brethren now, you know. This is my bona fide brethren now. Him have one woman involved. But them not there. But them understand the thing and whatever. Them not, him know a woman from somewhere where him and she involved. The woman there far, right? The woman there the far. She the far. Not good in the details. She the far. So him up here at Queens, at New York, and she the far and whatever. So in a film discussions with where him go to and so the one where him involved with now, she have a link. I tell you, some people, them things just set away. So she have a link up here now where she can say, yo, You know, so my man I go through some loneliness and all them something there, you know, I want to help out him or whatever. I just suffer them things, say. We're not going into details and thing or whatever. So she make a link for the boss and thing. And that one the forward and thing. So look at something I go on with them, you know. Them I do them thing and she come over and you know, that look at something there, whatever, cause them have an understanding, you know, the woman and female people them where they far and whatever. Really. So apparently, you know, she come over and sitting and while she was on her way over, him ask her like, what you feel for? You hungry or whatever? And she said, no. She not hungry. So I'm saying I feel for nothing now. She said, no, she not hungry or whatever. So I'm saying she was like 10 minutes away when him asked her. So him say, bye, she reach in, you know, and thing him say after she come in, she say, you know, some want something to eat. So I say, I never ask you if you're hungry. And she say, yeah, but I want something to eat right now, man. And I say, so him get a little bit irritated with that. Because I remember, you know, and I'm speaker, you know. I'm speaker, make a link for she. For them things set that way there. 2022 now. All kind of things set different right, you know. So a woman can call her linky and say, yo, you know, so my man under some heat over there, so just go over there now, go help him out and think, I can't deal with it right, you know, or whatever. Yeah, at them levels, they don't it. So, him say him get irritated with her, and I say, oh, I ask her if she wants some feet and shot him. So, him go say, no, boom, for go order something for go deliver, and then him give her the menu. And then she order and thing and whatever, and them a wait for the order for come. So him say when him look on the thing and whatever, it's like $80. So him say, then I wish he order so. So when him look, him see this, him see soup, him see this, him see one bag of sitting, him see a whole heap of something. So him say, that get him crossed. Him say, that just get him crossed. So him like, remember, you know, somebody who him do so with already, you know. Him say, that get him crossed, and it just kind of irritate him, you know. So anyway, the food come, and she eat the food and things. So, which part she eat the food, the dining hall, if she go to the bathroom, she have to come through the kitchen to go to the bathroom. From where the dining hall, that's what I'm thinking. So she eat the food and thing, and then she must want pee-pee. So she walk now, because I'm in the kitchen too, you know what I'm saying. You know? So she walk now, I go to the bathroom. Sorry, me I laugh out the thing or whatever, I nearly dead. You say, she walk, I go to the bathroom, and if you see she go, like, remember me telling me I have a sore throat, and so, you know, my sore throat I beat me, but the general says she just, when she pass the sink, if just here she go, hack, 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 and just spit right in him sink. Him say, when she pass the sink, she just go that, you know where we say, hack and twang, you know, him say, him just here she go, not too much him, you know, because you know me dramatic with them something there, you know. Him man say, him just here, twang right in him kitchen sink, you know. He general say, how the baby clot you just do? Hey girl, what you just do? She and a Jamaican, you know. So him say she freeze because she don't understand one girl thing when he must say. He said the man said the way him shocked her at it and whatever. Him say, what the baby clot you do? Hey girl, what you do? And him say she stand up there and look on him like, what? Like, what? So you know a regular thing for she, you know. A regular thing for she. The general vex him. Tell her, say, yo, you should not do that, man. And whatever, you know. And then after that and thing, a man said the way thing broke him vibes and thing is like nothing around him. So him just make sure eat the food and thing and then make sure let go. And just call film people and say, yo, what kind of idiot girl that you come link me up with and whatever and and this and that and, you know. So, well, that is it. But we just can imagine, you know. I can't remember saying, you know, the little angst did build up already, you know. She get on him nerves with the whole food thing and whatever. And then she just walk past and then out of the blue, she hack and twang right in her man sing. People, you know, we are Jamaicans, you know, we did have one long discussion about this one day with the sink thing and the differences and whatever, you know. There's just certain boundaries we have, you know, where you're supposed to do wear and whatever, right? Believe it or not, some Jamaicans don't even want you to wash your hand in your kitchen sink. It's one of the things I find weird. Them not a problem with you wash a plate, you know. If you wash a plate and your hand wash, if you don't wash a plate and you wash off your hand under the sink, some Jamaicans not a problem with that. But make you just get up and decide to wash your hand, but you don't go to the bathroom sink, you go to the kitchen sink. Some Jamaicans have a problem with that. My argument is, what's the big deal? Don't the same hand under the sink. No, if you go wash your hand, go to the bathroom sink. You don't go wash your hand in the kitchen. But I said, they're not the same hand wash the plate. That different. When the hand them a wash plate, it's a wash plate. But I said, no soap and water reach your hand under the sink, same way. No, that different. If you wash your hand, go to the bathroom. You know, some always trouble people who stay. But the point I'm making from it is that we are very particular about certain boundaries and demarcations in terms of what conduct is allowed where. And, you know, we have enough look at things where it's cultural, you know. Some of them like nobody sit down on your bed. You know, for come sit down on your pan. People them not light or something, them friend come over and friend go sit down on. You have Jamaican light or something there, whatever. Some of us I said, and my bridge, you know, let me tell you, so that man there is a clean man, you know, man. Them man they ever clean them place, you know, man. When them man they come and them see all my place and whatever, when I'm busy and book and paper, chew down and this and that and whatever, man, I say, boy, you're tired in a Reggae, you know, but one thing do your place never stink yet, right? And you know, we run joke and whatever, right? But the man, they neat, you know, man, the man that would was neat, you know, so you can't just imagine when the woman must feel when the woman goes up, just hack and twang in a man sink and what. That is disgusting. Me wouldn't like it either. Me would, well, see, Marvel and Lottie Rustler say, yeah, I true that. We prefer if you go wash your hand in the bathroom, don't wash your hand in the sink. Yo, Jamaica, I bet you Mother Hamilton, she one of them people that would have stayed so to you. You Mother Hamilton, I know say you'd have stayed so to you. Probably you don't want nobody, but or them are going to wash them hand and go wash it in your kitchen sink. You'd have probably hand it to them. I said, no, you must wash your hand in the sink in the bathroom. Yeah, anyway, we're going to hold a break and we'll forward, we'll open the phone line and thing and then take on the call, all right? We'll soon forward. I'm going and drink some of that here. Prezi, thanks for the tea here, so give thanks. Here, my brother, cool. Nah, all right,
it's the Bridge 99 FM.
How you deal with?
Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Well, you don't know Monday. Well, it's all about some calls, right, you know, all right? From Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you call from the United States and thing, again, people remember sore throat beat me. If you call from the United States, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Quick housekeeping thing. Do remember, say, Free Up has now moved to Friday afternoon at 1 p.m. Free Up is now on Friday afternoons at 1 p.m. So Free Up is not tomorrow afternoon, people. It's on Friday. On Friday, we're going to deal with a matter there where obviously I have to deal with Free Up. And yo, me I get the fullness of it, you know. But I get the whole light, you know, in terms of the things them when Miss Lady say or whatever. Jano. But we deal with it on Friday, you know? On free up. So when, you know, those lacking. Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Ragashanti TV over YouTube, all right? 1 o'clock, free up. So right now, I can call him about anything I want to call him about. Call him about anything I want to call him about. Prezi, who down at Jamaica? Prezi, who down at Jamaica? Who down at Jamaica? Sajay? Okay. All right, Sajay, pay attention now, right? I make we get to all them calls and whatever. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876. Prezi, I went say a while ago. What Sajay say a while ago? Eh? Why me I call him name? Tell him say me a bad boy, man. Right? Tell him say if I make sure the call him come to, because more time I don't know why more time I work he call him not come to. I want to go on with him. Eh? Yeah. 876-676-4996. So the call him boy anything you want to call him. People, you have some things where when we eat and drink now, where you couldn't give me back in idea. Turn down that Prezi too loud. Tell him to chat, make him go. All right. What happened? What? Him said the only reason me can't talk, so I chew me there foreign. What does that have to do with it? Oh, when basically say, you know, me there Jamaican, but I done me, don't. I chew me. Big up yourself, Sajay. You're a real general. When you say, man, I go like him a bad boy, chew him there foreign, down. But if me there Jamaica, I wouldn't have so much chat, no. Give me call, Prezi. Give me call. Yo, I'm afraid the way I'm the throat sore, I'm afraid for cough. Hello.
Yeah, good night, Raga.
Good night.
What's up, going on, boss?
You know, some day I give thanks.
Call him for the first time.
Man.
Me did a try call last week Friday, but me never did a get through.
Oh, Zine.
Yeah, man. You have me sit up every Monday night, Wednesday night, and Friday night.
Oh,
Trust
Zine.
Me. Like the vibes, man.
Zine, we give thanks.
Last week, Friday night, I made me laugh out in a week.
Well, but you know, say is a Friday gone, yes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I mean, it was this show, but it was a repeat still, you know. But the same show, but it was a repeat and things. So obviously you enjoyed it, and we just want.
Yeah, man.
Well, that is
what
I
really
do.
have not much to say tonight. Just want big you up.
All right. So where you call from? Which part you call?
Craftsville, Clarendon.
Which part?
Yeah.
Which big town that they near? Which?
Kellits.
Okay.
Yeah.
Craftsville, Clarendon, Kellits. Well, big up yourself and thing. Enough
Yeah,
love
man.
and blessings.
Sanjali here.
Sanjali.
Yeah,
and what they have to entertain on the CM BRIDGE99 FM and thing. All right? Blessings. Big up Sanjali, Craftsville, over Clarendon and what. I don't know if I ever. But no, I'm going to go Kellits. You don't know where they are Jamaica where we show and thing and MC thing. So there's no place we not go. But true, me just go there and go do the show them and thing. Me definitely go Kellits. Sometimes some people will tell you some name or some place in a Jamaica and you're like, yo, somebody a Jamaican name, so? And I must say, yeah, man. And you have to kind of get like, you know, their proximity to a well-known town or something like so. If you can have some sense of where them located and thing. People, what me did I say before, though, you have something when me eat up here now where me never, you could me there Jamaica, you make me careful, yeah, man, because somehow on too outside. On too outside. You know, so me nearly run up, you know, me nearly run up in something a while ago. Eh? No, me go tell him something about salary and them, so, but me go say, yeah. See, me come and find me and eat some things up here, but me never eat at Jamaica. But you know my virgin, them, I be arms house, them keep up and thing or whatever, so, both of you don't want to give them the card for drop, you know, but, well, hello, Carla, hello.
Hello, my friend.
Yeah, what go on?
What go on, boss?
We ask, but your voice energetic tonight, man, Robert.
Me there, man. Want your throat, my friend?
No, me have a terrible sore throat, yeah, you know?
Oh, okay. Everything is everything?
Yeah, everything good. You know, sir, it's a good thing you call. What do you want woman named Delmarine? She there all the way over in California. She named Delmarine. She I said, a long time when I hear from Robert, she miss your voice. She named Delmarine. And things. So, and look, they know you're calling and things. Don't. What go on?
Yeah, me there, my boss.
You there, so?
Just to know if you're all right, though.
Yeah, man, the sword throat a beat me and thing and whatever, you know, but...
You are going to know, honey and lime.
Honey and lime. Real Jamaican
Yes,
talk that, you know, honey
and
and lime.
Let's get the honey and lime and you drink like honey and lime and buy a man, clear up, man.
Throat clear up, and that's the best way to clear up your throat.
Hope and speaking.
You know, some things, I think I have honey and lime at home, you know, so yeah, me buy
Yeah,
some.
it's like how my friend they have a new talk, me I give hope and speaking.
Yeah. What you say, other new talk, they go what? Other one
Up and speaking.
So when you say you're up and speaking, Robert, no? Yeah. You're up and speaking, them for know. All right, people. Robert said that at the new talk, you know. Say you're up and speaking. Somebody say, what go on? You say, yo, I'm up and speaking. Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Yes, but me no hear for hot and spicy. What for you?
You know,
I'm the birthday them still enough. Me no hear for a good while. But me I say, hot and spicy, dig up yourself, see you here.
No, remember, say, she not have no shoes, you know, uncle, and slippers she have, and the slippers bust up. So. No, man, just cool, man. Remember, say, she not have no shoes. I just a little piece of slippers she have, and then, you know, the slippers go pop off her foot, and then she not have nothing for wear go out the road. You understand? So she.
Remember, say no, me this say no, you this say no.
I mean, this says so. I say a word, man. But me I
tell name man say Robert this say so. You know, listen to you.
It's me, you know. But me I gonna take some other call. You hear my brother?
Yeah. Well, look at Raga.
Yeah, quick.
Raga.
Yeah, quick.
Those who have attack spice if something there.
What?
Attack spice. You give attack spice the number for me, yeah?
Yeah, me get attack spice. All right then. All right. Yeah, bless up.
Remember, man, do it for me, man.
Yes, man. All right then. Cool. Okay, cool. Robert, the easy answer. Robert's a come on, man. Oh, but yeah, Raga, that thing that you know what coming on. Anyway, next call, President. Hello. Yeah.
Good night.
Only God can tell you what I say.
Yeah, me there. I give thanks to your father, Raga, man. Give thanks to your father.
You see it. Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me talk to Pretty Punch, you know, and she said she have to work, and the show late to you that listen to the day, so she going to try and make a link Friday, yeah?
Yeah, and show up me.
Yeah, now we going to call in on Friday, and then, you know, and then you get to talk to her, yeah? So we're going to line it up and thing. We'll make you call in, and then we'll call you and say, yo, make only God can tell you and whatever, and thing. And, Yeah. But she did that one that she say, like, if I only pine and them something that you have if you never have any other fruits.
No, me a June plum.
No, remember, you just a pine and June plum and thing, but you say if you have any other
pear.
And what?
Pear.
You have pear?
And pear. Yeah.
Oh, you never did say that too. Yeah, so a pear.
Yeah, plum. June plum too, yeah.
Oh, pear are ripe right now, so she can't get pear too, though.
So come here, we get it.
When the pear them cut them pretty, you know, you know we Jamaican, we love when the pear them pretty, you know, so the pear them pretty.
Yeah.
Are you plant a pear them?
No, I want to plant for myself. There are two people that want plant it.
Oh, okay. What kind of tree you have in your yard?
Green skin and purple skin. Pear tree, breadfruit tree, mango tree, plum tree, coconut tree.
Hold on. You have green skin and purple skin pear, don't
you? Yeah.
Oh, all right then. And then what you say you have mango tree, and what kind of breadfruit tree? And coconut.
Mango tree, breadfruit tree, coconut tree.
And what else?
Starapple tree and plum tree.
And starapple tree and plum tree.
Yeah.
Okay. Then,
and Neesberry tree.
And Neesberry tree. Bra.
And cherry mina.
And what?
And cherry mina and tangerine.
Well, I know about tangerine. What you say? What name of cherry mina?
Yes, also I said when they put salt and pepper upon a school.
You know, so I never hear about that yet. I want name so.
Man, you know something, man. It's like a tangerine that you peg and pan it like where you can stew.
Where you can stew?
Yeah. Stew, boil with sugar and then I eat it.
What you say it
And
name?
people put in a jar.
What you say? And people put in a jar. What you say it name?
Cherry mina.
Cherry mina.
Yeah.
How with the backside?
But
Yes.
they so I do you know.
Then sour.
Yeah.
So what you say? People put them in a jar. What people do? Them stew them and put them in a jar.
Yeah.
Then only God can tell you. Look how long me live born and grew at Jamaica and live at Jamaica for decades. I never hear about anything named cherry mina before.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So what's the trivia again?
Oh, well, no, man. See, they know people, them a tell me, say, I eat name Jimbalin.
How could they want to say?
Hold on. I eat name Jimbalin.
No. I don't know that any name there.
Oh, you don't know that the name there. Well, if you don't know the name, that mean I could have eat yet. I could have eat same one yet.
Yeah, the name, I know me, I tell you the name.
Hold on. What color is it?
Yellow.
And sometime before it turn yellow, it green. It's like a light green.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, green. Yeah.
Green,
man,
green. Yeah, man, a Jimbalin, man. A Jimbalin.
Okay.
A Jimbalin, we know it. Okay, good. Yeah, that's why I love when the people make we know what I go on. Because I tell you, dog, you lost me a while ago, you know, when you say cherry me, you know, I say, what that? Me never hear about that before. You lost me, man. You send me go on a bush. You send me go, who are you a while ago? Me I say, yo, dog.
Sorry, man.
No, man, don't be sorry. No, hold on. Only God can tell you. You hear what I say? Don't be sorry. You know it as that. Yeah, some people call it star fruit too. Yes, Fox, you're right.
No, okay, no.
Eh? What?
Star fruit, I want a different one. The cherry mean a small. When I say a Jimbalin in here, it's small.
Well,
star fruit bigger.
It's small?
Yeah.
Well, it look like where you are referred to then and that them attack then.
Yeah, different of them attack, but okay, no.
Well, before you say, don't lose your thought, you know. But tell me the shape of the cherry mina. What is the shape of it?
They look around and they shape like a tangerine beer on the tree, I saw a beer.
No, that's not a Jimbalin. That's not a Jimbalin then. So who not post
Jimbalin? No, I'm not Jimbalin there.
So what you say, them little and them round and them shape like what? Tangerine. Well, who know what's a Jimbalin or something else? Jimbalin and star fruit are synonymous, but check when I talk about cherry mina are different. See, Jackie Smith says she know. Somebody post and say she know cherry mina for true, so.
That is it.
Yeah. Oh, them say it shaped like cherry. Tonnet said it shaped like.
Yeah. I right lick that, man.
Yeah, see that right lick that. So what you say differently, you know?
Yeah, say. The thing is, I know, two lady call, too cute, I want to me never wear name there, me never wear name. Me never Tina name, I want call in.
Yeah.
Today, you me they talk, to me I just call in and talk, you know, they must find, they just say something about me. Tell them something about me, because they don't know nothing about me, and God can't tell what happened to them.
Who?
No, this one, too cute, I can't call, I can't tell about me, no, if it's a long time I do road, long time I bad the road.
No, a Too Cute and Brittany and Too Cute here. So
yeah, Brittany.
I
see they call in.
Yeah.
I can't talk about me, no know me height. Me no go a clinic. I go over there and check and tell you. Tell them say they don't know about me, Raga. No disrespect, they don't know nothing about me.
Them bright.
Father God me praise, them me touch street, you know.
Yeah, them bright.
I saw me go on my bed, Father God me praise.
See it there. So what
if Pretty Punchy call me and tell me say, like, I know I come to Jamaica. Me no problem. Me treat her nice and she treat me nice. Muta said, don't follow the crowd, follow your heart.
When
me heart, me follow.
When Muta Baruka say what?
Don't follow the crowd, follow your heart.
Oh, what that Muta say?
Yes, I do.
So, hold on. What you think, Agwan? You think say Alien Too Cute and Brittany? You think a bad mind through Pretty Punch you want to talk to you and like you, don't?
No, I'm not really bad mind about two of them. I say me no know my height, and she they say me no know how to kiss.
So, well, you know how to kiss?
Yes, ma'am. I know if you do them something them, and a long time I do with Raga.
All right, hold on then now, right? Because you have got to teach me, you know, you have got to explain the thing to me now. So, like, when you kiss a woman now and thing, like, what is the right way to kiss her? We not talk troops, you know, we talk good kiss.
No, we hug him up and kiss her.
No, but all you kiss her, all you kiss the right way, you know. Hold on, before you answer, remember, you know, Elaine too cute and Brittany are listen, you know, cause anyway you go chat anything when I go so now, you know, them I go give it to you, know, I tell you from now. Anyhow, you hold on, man, only God can tell you. Anyhow, you not represent for the thing right now and explain how real general kiss a woman. Them I go call in and I tell you them I go hand it to you and say, see it there, I be a foolish to him chat. So I want you to me just I tell you, you know, cause look me I look out for you, you know. So I just want you just explain and now when you a kiss a woman, cause you say a long time you do road.
When I about me like you know about me. Because they listen one night now. They listen one they call me and listen one night tell about me.
No man, what you mean? Them this year me never back you?
No, you know about me, I tell them so make you use fear man. You understand?
Oh alright, I'm sorry, my apologies, yeah?
Yeah, no,
my apologies, man. I should have defend you, man. All right, but what me I say now? Yeah, so what me I say now? Explain to Radio Land how you fi kiss a woman good, you know.
First thing I meet a girl, I greet him. You hug him up and you kiss her. But sometimes I don't kiss a woman.
No, man, hold on. You have to tell me what you do with your lips and your tongue. What you do? Hold on. Only
1 minute about it, I say.
Real quick, man. What you do? What you do? How you kiss a woman? Real quick.
Sir, me go for her and kiss her.
No, what you do with your lips, them and your tongue?
Me kiss up your lips, them and your tongue.
What you do? How you do it?
Almighty God.
Yeah, well, you have to call back Friday and tell Pretty Punchy when you talk to her, yeah?
Yeah, she wants you.
Yeah, all right then, cool. Only God can tell you. Big up yourself. All right, give me our next guy. Hello. Well, people, do remember we are the show, them are structure the thing permanent. So the show are going to run from 10 to 12 midnight Jamaica time. And them say from 10 o'clock to 12 midnight, we can talk about the sex something with them, right? So it's going to be sex and relationship focus, right? Starting in September, we're going to nice up a thing and jiggy up a thing. And go on with some bag of thing in the hours of the night. All right, greetings, Carla. What go on?
Raga.
You know, some man I give thanks, blessed, you know?
You don't listen to your brother say, and putting lips on fear lips and then you say, mwah.
Yeah, something, you know? I say, yo, you nibble the top lip a little bit and you just lightly run your tongue over it and you never pressure it and slide and talk up something, but we never hear him say that. We never hear him say something there. But what you think? Him not know how to say, wait, you think so only God can tell you know how to kiss?
Yeah, a different level that feel, no, you just say it.
No, the brother said, I never defend him, so I got to defend him right, you know. What you mean a different level that, you know, the man I say him a do road long time, and him know how to kiss. I want me to tell you, the man say, know how to kiss woman, him a do road long time, I defend the general, only God can tell you. What you mean a different level that feel him don't know nothing? What?
Someone walk out a road, someone ride bicycle, someone drive skittle, someone drive high and right. All the way on the road to him, you know.
Well, I don't know, you're wicked. What you say? So when a man say him a do road, you said, nah, because when you touch road, some man a drive some iron vehicle, some man a ride bicycle, some man a walk, some man a up, some man a
ride young. Everybody still on the road.
Everybody still a do road, though, so do road no mean nothing.
Not a thing.
I got to do the easy, the jado. So I go differently, though.
Yo, you know, I can remember, you mentioned, well, friend, you know, years I listen to the things still, and I mean, I remember some of my station, I mean, you did the nation, what I do.
See.
And one vibe is a girl, I think a Rooty, she name, they did the video.
Yeah, Rooty. Yeah, Rooty was a producer, man, yeah.
Yeah, I remember I used to keep shows.
Yeah.
I can't remember, I thought about one where you invite participants, like a woman to come and beard, man.
Yeah, man, it didn't name Bossa Beard. Me call it Bossa Beard. Yeah, and then one person have to beard the other one, but you know, we just them have to keep on them undergarments. Yeah, right.
Yeah. So, me find that to be quite phenomenal doing
Why?
this sort of entertainment.
Why?
But you don't see anybody else do it in all the history of entertainment. Nobody else do them something.
Exactly.
Yeah. When you regard it as wholesome and really without to say entertaining. But that's what I mean.
Well, you say almost entertaining entertainment, don't No. Well, you see, them days that it was all about 1, be edgy, 2, be creative, 3, be original, be different. So so we did a boss different game. I'm gonna come up with that one and say boss a beard. And it's funny, somebody called earlier and said Kellett. You did have one woman named Mad One. Yo, she did win everything, man. And she did lock off all the boss a beard. About 20 grand she did win back in them day. And she beard one man, and fix him up nice. Beard him from scratch, do him nails them and all them something there. And beard him with bad pan and everything. Swoop him up and beard him. And when she done to her, I think she did put in like one wedding gown. I don't know if you remember. And them say like the limo come up and it was a wheelbarrow. I tell you, say them days it's just all about laugh and entertainment. Yo, when my colleague, remember Ian Boyne, me his soul rest in peace. Remember Ian Boyne hear about Bossa Beard and Ian Boyne, let me tell you, Ian called me and said, Raga, what are you doing? You have a Ph.D. I said, Ian, I'm going to tell you, stop worrying about my Ph.D. and whatever, man, allow me make me live my life. And whatever, when the man hear about Bossa Beard and thing, them days that we are going with a bag or something.
So the concern I have now is, if nothing like that now, I'll go on again. I mean, no, you live a foreigner now still, but you touched my place a few times. So, and I remember we all agree, Jamaica is your home.
Indeed. And thing and whatever. But them days I do, I'm gonna be honest with you. Them days I did just go hard and just provocative and just didn't give one flying F when nobody wants to say, and I do me thing, And
yeah, this is all one I know.
No, and I like that, I'm gonna be honest with you. Me go by my spirit. So if me feel it, me do it. And if me not feel it, me not force it. Me not do it, me not feel. You understand what I say? So me not gonna lie, some of the craziness them when me used to go on with, me not feel it. Figure go on with them craziness then and thing. Because believe it or not, even them time when me go on my craziness, enough people never know. I'm generally a quiet person, You would have believed that? You'd have believed that?
No. Not necessarily, but me know you push the bar though.
Right, me know you push the bar because it was entertainment and we had the event them and we are go hard and it was Mixup An Blenda, so it was branded, right, to do that.
There was a man, the broadcasting commission, I think Cordell Green.
Cordell Green, right.
Yeah, never sound like him, they like it too much at all.
Well,
I remember a lot of times, for example, you have Love in the Air and in Blood Clot song.
Yeah, right.
And and a lot of times things are going there, and we could remember you telling other people that nothing respond to that
we had some differences back in the day, and we had some memorable, shall we say, some interactions that where emotions and disagreements came to the fore, and things like that. But Cordell Green was doing what he considered to be his job, and I have to respect that. And I was trying to figure out how to, to be free to do what I want to do without having to subscribe to the status quo that is established in Jamaica that say you must have to conform to these certain type of behavior based on class and thing. But once a big respect to Mr. Green, he's still there. Upton Dunn is no longer the chairman, but Cordell Green is still the executive director of the Broadcasting Commission, as far as I know. And we just want a big respect to them and the work that they have been doing and thing and whatever, so.
Yeah.
No, hold on. The other thing too, me have 3 youth now, and thing and whatever, so. So, you have some little thing when me used to go on with where, me not too me youth them see me go on with them. So.
The next time I talk to you, I remind you of that, because that has suddenly become very pertinent now. But in the meantime, you say you're not necessarily go so hard again, but I realize a lot of the people them in the Tambourine family who did it from over the many decades ago, they still did the same way.
Yeah, man, Neville they still about Murray, still about yeah, President, I beg me take another call. But Neville still about Murray. One of them, enough of them still about. Some man have transitioned, unfortunately. We give thanks, may their soul rest in peace. And thing and whatever. Fana was one of the most memorable person who transitioned last year under the COVID thing, there, unfortunately. And things. So, but we give thanks, you know, and thing. We they have to see him. Yeah.
Give thanks and give it some thought to another show that or something.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we still can have fun. We still can have a comedy show and still can be crazy down there and whatever. Yeah. So we see how that go. Yeah.
Yeah, respect, brother.
Blessing, my general. Thanks for calling in.
All right.
All right. Okay, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4. Greetings.
Greetings.
Wagwan.
Raga. You can eat some ginger.
Eat the ginger?
Yes, chew it up and swallow the juice.
I have never done that before. That can be eat the ginger, eat it?
Yeah, just bite a little piece and chew it up and swallow the ginger with the juice.
You sure?
Yes, Raga, man. You know who this talk to you? Multi-talented.
We are multi-talented a long time. I don't hear from you, you know. Why go and put us? Well,
then thief me phone.
Oh, God, them thief your phone multi-talented.
Thief me phone with me chip and everything in the Raga.
Oh, that's why we not hear from you.
So I get another phone now.
That's why we never hear from you. I wonder what going in a multi-talented. That's why we I wonder which dirty, nasty, crow-beard, fly-by-night, mosquito.
I don't know one cheap phone neither, you know, Raga.
Listen to me. Whoever do it, them coming like mosquito poop.
That's so me say too.
Listen. Nah, man, you need to have your phone, but I'm glad to hear back your voice. But multi-talent, what you mean like bite up a ginger and just eat it, so?
Just cut one little piece, put in your mouth and chew up it, man.
Well,
and you chew up it, so you just swallow it and then you drink little tip of water.
Little tip of water. And you know, so I have ginger in my yard, you know, so I go try that, you know. I go try that.
Ginger, you know, so ginger is very good.
What? Ginger is very, 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 very good for different reasons. Powerful antioxidant,
it's good.
You know?
Ginger is good for your immune system and it takes out inflammation out of your body.
Teach them here, multi-talented. Ginger is good for your immune system. Good, and take out inflammation out of your body. Okay, good.
Yeah, and it can you can even boil it with some garlic too.
Okay. Well, we know. You know, say, me can't do that with ginger, but me used to say that about garlic too until me reach a point where me could do that with garlic, you know, or whatever. Me used to have my cousin when me look a bit and see her just a bite Scotch bonnet pepper and I eat with her. I thought my cousin was an alien, right? Me have a cousin Nelly, and Nelly could have just bite the Scotch bonnet pepper straight and I thought, no, but me do it now. Well, you're not used to the new phone where you have, man. That's why your mouth can't sit down panic good, man. Your mouth a twist from your phone, man.
You're too rude.
No, but your voice trailed away just now, so we weren't hearing you.
Okay, you're hearing me now.
Oh, we're hearing you loud and clear, multi-talented. Yeah.
Okay.
No, but do it now. There's nothing sweet on me. I eat some good food and just I bite my Scotch bonnet pepper. Pepper,
yes. And the pepper good too, you know, the pepper.
The pepper? No, but you can't take
too
much.
Yeah, man, the pepper good. But you don't eat the seed, you know.
You don't eat the seed, why?
No, the pepper seed not good for you at all.
Oh, I don't really eat the seed. They're so hot. I don't eat this. I don't eat the seed. But I just don't want to know why you don't eat.
They have some little one named bud pepper. You can just swallow it like tablet.
Yo, them have some little pepper up here. Them say them come from Guyana. Then little bit. Then hot.
Yes.
And then coming like scotch. Them full of flavor. Them nice, you see?
And little and fine.
Yeah, them little bit them not too fine, man. And I like black pepper, but them little bit round up here in New York. But a Guyana them supposedly come from. And somebody bust up on it and thing, and I tell her, said, nah man, them full of flavor. Tastes nice and thing and whatever, you know?
Yeah, the little one never then called bud pepper.
Well, lad, put your phone back on your mouth, no multi-talented, man.
Yes, you hear me now?
Yeah, we are hear you, man. So why your mouth always a miss, man? When you have something on
me
your mouth...
know, maybe to me lie down and sometimes...
Yeah, well, no, man. When you hold something on your mouth, if you keep it on your mouth, man. Sure. Anyway.
Lord Jesus, you're too rude.
Yeah. So what you did I say? What you did I say?
Well, Raga.
Eh?
Me know one young man, you see? Me know one young man where have sex with his mother.
Really?
Yes, in baby mother can catch them and have
Hold on. When I hear what you just say again, you know, you're going back under the sheet, you know. Mine people, man, yeah, they're under the bed, you know.
No, man.
Oh. So what you say?
You hear me now?
We are here, you know. Keep your phone right there, man, and not moving, man. So what
all right. Me know one young man where have sex with his mother. Okay. Then they right out now.
You sure?
Yes. The baby mother can catch them and have sex, and then the relationship mash up.
Well on. Oh, you know the baby mother catch them.
Well on, man. Now the mother there with the son right out.
Multi-talented. Oh, you know the baby mother catch his son and the mother do it. Oh, you know.
Because it's spread out over the whole district.
Okay. So what? The baby mother start cussing on them something there.
And left the man and got there with different man, and the son and the mother they right out now.
So them they right out in the district and everybody knows their mother and son and them they right out?
Yes.
You sure?
Sure, Raga.
God. Multi-talented.
And when the mother want the sex, he beat the son for it.
Stop it. Liar.
Yes.
Liar. Lie. So what you say the mama beat his son?
I could have go call you and tell you lie.
So the mama beat his son for the son can send her on the strength pan her up in her belly.
Send her on the sort out.
Jesus have mercy, Master God. If you're not busy, stop pay attention to Donald Trump and look over yourself, look a bit. What you say to me?
And then they wrestle where they are very hard. That's the mother get hurt and have to go a doctor.
What you say? Wait, she get hurt in her sort out or them they just wrestle? Right?
Like the son never wants to sort her out and then catch a fight and she get hurt.
But you look like the mama Isla rider.
Police run on it and she don't make the son get locked up.
Oh, so it look like a Isla rider all the time. It look like the mama always on it, don't?
Well, it come like her head not so hot neither.
Oh, she not too... Okay. What you mean?
Upstairs, the son not look like it too hot to me. For me know a couple of years back, over 40 odd years now.
Oh, then tell me something, I know. About how old is the mother, how old is the son?
The son supposed to about in 40, you know, about 39, and the mother supposed to about 60 something.
Okay, then I saw she on in a fear 60s. Sophia Isla rider, Sophia Jujua jump so.
But a long time I do it in a Raga.
Oh.
A long time and it just broke out now.
So tell me something, who you feel started? You feel that the son push it or the mother started?
I don't know.
But
it is a disgrace.
But from what you tell, it sound like the mother did push it, man. Because you know, the mother beat him up, beat him off him, come dugu.
You see what I say?
So what I know, about when it bust out?
Bust out about, let me see. 5 or 6 months back now.
Okay. And them the right out now, you say?
Right out now, then they.
Backside.
And live at same house.
And then the baby mother gone with the picnic and thing and whatever and done with him, done?
Done with him, yes.
Okay. So what the baby mother just come up and catch them like him, like what?
Like she said she'll go out and when she said she forgot something and she turned back, she hear the you know, the whole time bed spring in her house and make nice.
Make nice to rat it
and
thing.
And when she peep, she tap and listen and say she peep to one little hole at the window when she look. And him that on top of the mother.
Jesus God. So when she peep through and look at hole, she see him in a one hole.
And she ball out,
And
she ball out. And,
her head take her down, her head take her, she ball out.
He ball out, man, and everybody here and know, and then so comes the start spread out and something.
Oh, so when she see it and the shock take her out and think she scream out down.
Frightened.
Oh, Jesus, and thing when she see her son.
And you know, they live nearby, you know, so you know it go.
The other neighbor them here and all these things.
Yeah, man, and people are pass here and everything, and it just then can't hide again.
Okay. Well, don't tell me the road, don't tell me the name of the road, you know, just tell me the name of the district.
Oh, God, Raga, trouble you gonna put me in now?
No, listen to me, I know I do. Don't tell me the name of the road, just tell me the name of the district. Just a district, nothing else. Just a district. Just tell me the district.
Farm? Yes.
No, man, you're not on a farm alone, the district name.
Farm district.
The district just name farm alone?
Yes.
No, man, you're not tell me full name of the district, man. I'm multi-talented.
Yeah, man, a farm district, man.
Which parish? What the parish?
Manchester.
Farm district in a Manchester. All right, no say no more. No say, we leave it right. There's a farm district in a Manchester. But one of the things, some people think this is scandalous though and terrible, don't it?
Oh, God. Then, Raga, some kind of family to me too, you know?
Lord Jesus, I lie.
You can imagine how me feel shame.
Oh, God, it's like an extended family to you, though.
Yeah, sometimes I feel shame when me hear walk on and just see the vibes, you know?
Okay, I'm sorry if I deal with that here.
Raga, me go ask you something, you see? When, why is it that your some brother, like to molest their sister?
Why is it that some brother like to molest them sister?
Like to have sex with them sister.
I don't want to use a big bossy word and thing. It's like you have these men who believe, say, if them have an opportunity to have sex, them are going to take the opportunity regardless if I some boundary with them not for cross, like in this case, incest. And unfortunately, in Jamaica, it has always been common for men, especially. Women do it too, you know. Women do it too, and whatever, and exploit younger kids. But, and it has all, you know, that has long been the case that, you know, you have men in relationship exploit younger females in different configuration in relationship. Supposedly, supposedly the most common one are the uncle them. But there have been fathers and brothers too, whatever, you know. Yeah.
And those brothers now, you see, where fool around their sister, even if they not get through. When they turn big, you know, they still jealous over their sister, you know, they don't want to see them with no man.
Multi-talented. Well, you have talked to me long enough on this show for me to have an understand that, you know, you're speaking generally right now, but you're referring to something. You want to tell us what that is?
Well,
you want to tell us?
There's a brother, you see?
Yeah.
Who used to fool on his sister, but he never get through to have sex with her.
Right.
He always hold her down and she resists him.
Fight him off, right.
Yes, and everybody turned big now and living their own life, and the brother is still alive, older than the sister.
Right.
And the sister can't keep any man, let him know, because each time the sister try to find a man, the brother mash up the relationship. At one time, the sister even married, and she ended up that she and the husband have to break up because of the brother saying we appear fight. So up until to the day the sister, if she have a man and him know the man and talk up with the man, we talk a lot of bad things about the sister. and even change the man mind from the sister and all those things.
So tell me something. The sister has never tried to just totally separate from him and have nothing to do with him and just move somewhere or go somewhere where him not have no access to her and none. She never tried that before.
Over and over and still come back home and the same situation keep going over and over again. And the sister kind to the brother, you know. He's sick and she help him out. She washing clothes. She do every little thing for him and so forth. But deep down you can't see what is going on.
Well, the brother do anything for the sister where she's dependent on him for?
No.
Or so I don't like saying my minor, I'm a supporter or anything like that.
No,
she need anything.
no. Because the sister no hungry and she no financially embarrassed. So me I wonder if because me I think about something. When the mother have 10 children, you know, and she have 5 daughters, and when they live at Kingston, Trenchtown, she used to be the mother used to be a hustler, like go sell and so. She used to left the girls them with him. So me I wonder if in that time he used to fool around the sister them, you know. So
well,
but I try to put 1 and 2 together.
I'm not saying that he did. I wasn't there, but unfortunately, usually those type of predators, they are what is the term what them refer to them is they are opportunistic, you know, abusers, right? And and what that means is if they had the opportunity to do it, at a minimum they would have done it and they would have tried to do it, and perhaps, you know, you say it was 5 sisters and all of the sisters them did younger than him?
Yes. And he was the caretaker.
Oh Lord, I don't want
to beat them and everything.
That's not good, because usually when they're like that, you know, them been like that for a while, you know.
Okay.
So
one time one of the sisters said to me, say, you see, one time one of the sisters told me that she was having a bath, but it's him who was bathing her.
Right.
And he used his finger.
Don't go in on that.
Yeah. Me understand.
And him using finger penetrate her.
Right. And me think about that. I think about that.
Well, he has been doing it then.
I put 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 together and I look on the situation.
Hold on.
Why that sister can't keep a man and him no?
But what I'm saying is that what age that sister tell you that?
Yes.
No, what age? What old she was when she told you?
She was about 14.
14?
Yes.
And what age she said that did happen when him do that to her?
She was a little girl about 10 or so.
Oh, but she remember?
But she remember, yes.
Okay. So at the time when she had tell you at 14, did she give any indication that something like he's still attempting to do or still doing something like that with her?
No.
Okay.
But because him hold the other sister to have sex with her and she fight him off.
Right.
That sister now think back and say, well, you know.
And then she remember what him did do.
Right.
All right. Here's my question.
Mm-hmm.
Did anybody report this in any place and say, well, I don't know the fullness of what going on, but I heard enough for me to do the responsible thing, which is to report this because there might be some significant abuse going on over there with these young girls and what. Then do you know of anybody having reported this or anything like that?
No.
Why you think nobody? You think other people know what going on with them? Something? You think other people know?
Well, baby, because it happened for such a long time and kind of quiet, keep down and so.
Okay. Me see what you say.
But me I said the sister now we get so big.
Yeah.
And I have relationship and the brother know.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime he know say that his sister have one boyfriend or so, he always send the boyfriend and tell the boyfriend.
The phone. Yeah. Bring back
tell the boyfriend out other things about his sister. That's the relationship end up mash up.
I'm a dirty man. A dirty man.
So he still have that jealousy there carrying him towards the sister.
No, but you see, him right now, there are certain things when I love to say on the radio or whatever.
And you know, him a 70-year-old now, you know.
The brother is 70-year-old now?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I said to
yes, and the sister about 56-year-old.
So, what you think? You think the sister, even though him at 70 and probably getting frail, you think the sister for just cut him off and still just go about her business?
You mean if you even see him drop down the road, enough to look upon him?
No, well, if she cut him off and go about her business, she not going to see if him drop down the road.
They live in the same area.
No, when I say give it, well, I mean, she's 50-something, him at 70, but when I say you, in a something like that, where you know, so it's like him not change. This man is obsessed with her permanently and things like that, and just really dysfunctional and abusive and selfish and terrible, right? So
and if he do nothing for the sister, because he's strong, you know, still work and everything. And if his sister asks him to do anything for her, like on her house and so, he ignore her, him promise her and he don't fulfill it.
Him do what? Him promise her?
Him promise him going to come and do it for her, but he don't fulfill it.
Okay.
Because it's like he have a sex grudge, a care for the sister when she's small.
I'm not going to take some other call, but listen, I'm not going to say certain thing in terms of, it gone long time now. So well, listen. So if I say, they ask, hold on no.
Yes.
So what I say is, if she's in an unhappy situation, she need to take herself out of that and leave and things like that. That's all I say, right? Okay, I'm going to take some other call here.
All right, listen to me. Me need to talk about here what happened now.
Mm-hmm.
Me no want people to hear some of the things that may I tell you. Because I want whole heap of something. So keep me number.
Okay.
And we need to get in touch with you off the ear and me and you talk. And me have something to tell you in a raga. It's unbearable.
For real?
Yes.
Oh, wow. So you have some very significant things that we need to hear, no?
Yes. It is very unbearable.
Okay. So tell Prezi. Tell Sajay if you take
he have me number.
No man, Sajay down at Jamaica, you know. Remember I said Prezi up here in New York. Prezi now see your number, you know. Sajay I see your number.
No, say him did call me back, you know.
No man, but listen to me, no man, you have to listen to me. Prezi never keep your number. Prezi don't keep people number. Yeah?
Okay.
I remember I said that a long time and thing when you did call. So Prezi tell Sajay if you take multi-talented number here, him say him have it, all right?
Yeah, respect you, yeah?
All right, then multi-talented. Take care, man.
And remember when I tell us, take the ginger.
Yes, man. Blessings, man. Cool.
Big up yourself.
Man, blessings. Well, unfortunately, them things they are going to Jamaica a long time and whatever, and you know, and people in the community, them will know about them something. They don't need to report them things, them man, when they see them something they are going here. I know that the way the culture set up, it's not even part of your consciousness for God's sake. You have to make a report. I know say sometimes someone afraid, and I get it, particularly when they done them send for the little pitney them and them something there, the young girl them and them something there, and the bad man them and whatever. I kind of get that, but however much you can find a way to report them something there, you know, and make, you know, even quietly report them something, and, you know, in an effort to protect these young girls especially, even do abuse them on young boys too now, but, you know, to protect your children them, you know, to report them things them, man. All right? Give me a next call. Hello.
Whoever.
Yes, Mr. Coombs, what happened?
Where are you going with?
There, you know, yes.
Yeah, the ginger good way lady say no. You peel one piece, peel off his skin, right?
Yeah.
And you chop one piece and drink some water. Very good, man.
And you chew it up just so?
Yeah, but you know what I mean, man. Me not two teeth and me chop and drink the water. Me take my time and but me spit out it sometimes. Remember, me can't chew it properly, you understand?
Well, now, when you say you only have 2 teeth and you do it same way?
Yes, me not afraid with that.
Yeah, and you do it same way, don't you?
Yeah. But me mostly suck it out, huh?
Yeah.
And chew it.
What you mean? You mostly suck it out?
Yes, but me can't chew it.
Okay, because you can't
All
chew
right.
it. You can't chew it, so you suck
Yeah,
it.
the thing where the lady that tell you about that gym building.
No, well on. So we just want to be clear, because President asks if him not understand or whatever. So what you're saying is that if you can't chew it, it's okay if you suck it out.
Yeah, man, you try it and you try to bump it out there.
Then well on, but Mr. Combs, like, that the ginger there, I know, like, it's not like apple and them something that was soluble, because it have a kind of whatever. So
I try you something.
Right, so it sounds to me, I'm just guessing, you can't tell me. Is it something where you have to suck it hard?
Then you chew then, yes, man, you can't chew it up and suck it out, man.
No, but what I'm saying is like the sucking, it have to be like, you have to suck it hard to get the juice out of it, because remember?
Yes,
okay.
chew it up.
Okay. No, but when I say if you can't chew it, you have to suck it hard to get the juice. Because remember, saying something where people chew, you can't even just, ginger, chew it trashy.
Raga.
Yeah.
Raga. Me not much teeth, and me tell you, me too. But me beat it, you can half crush it, just
right.
Have a big damage on my gum.
But what I'm saying is, I am just trying to grasp, like, having how difficult it would be to get the juice out. It just sounds to me like something where you have to really suck it hard to just suck out the juice.
You have teeth, you chew up and suck out them and spit out. You don't have to swallow the trash.
No, I not say swallow the trash. I just say if you get the juice out of it, you just have to
yes,
suck it out.
Over, man.
Okay, all right then. Go on talk.
Yeah, the thing very you talk about. I want to round thing, you pick up the stem and you chew it with the clip, the ginger and sugar. And you back up and take one spoon and you eat two.
Wait name.
A gym building.
No, you know, hear them say gym building and the star fruit or that.
Hello, boss. The star fruit different. The star fruit come from India. And India can star fruit come here, yeah?
Yeah.
The right name for star fruit is Cam Rock.
Okay.
The star fruit long arm, some groove like grit, like gearbox, like gear grit.
Yeah.
The star fruit have gear, some groove like that.
Okay.
About 8 or 9, that depends on the size, how big them is.
Right.
And them long arm, when them ripe, them yellow.
Right.
You can slice them and cook them with pepper, and when you battle them and heat to the meat like sauce.
Then so the star fruit is not Jimbalin then?
No.
Okay.
Star fruit named Cambrock. My granduncle come from India. My father buy Africa land give me. Probably didn't have the money to drink all the money, and the only thing he plant for me, the star fruit. He said I plant a breadfruit and coconut and nothing. Final defeat. And my daddy plant breadfruit and coconut. My daddy tells you shouldn't hear me, but you know defeat.
Okay.
Remember who come from India.
Okay.
Right, yeah.
Okay. All right then. So it's Jimbalin in my thought then or whatever.
A Jimbalin.
So where him get that name there from then?
What, Jimbalin?
No, the name. I forgot where only God can tell it. It say it.
Oh, I don't know where she get it from. But look at
him. Only God can tell it is a man. Well, him did I use one different name. Him did I use one different name.
Raga. Every parish got that thing different name, you know.
Okay.
Mostly. Every parish we have a breadfruit, coconut and so.
Uh-huh.
Then little thing they give different name.
Different name.
Happy.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
right.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
So that is my piece,
no,
right?
man, I appreciate that clarification there.
Yeah,
Mr.
man.
Combs. All right.
All right, thank you.
All right, people, we're going to take a little break right now. We're soon forward, Auntie. All right, cool.
Decades of hits from the classics to current tracks. You'll find it all on the BRIDGE99 FM, the station for everyone.
New style, yes. New flow, yes.
The Bridge. The Bridge 99 FM to the world. This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on BRIDGE99 FM.
Back in the juggling and thing, and me and Miss Cherry Wash Belly, my mama last picnic. May her soul rest in peace. Big up yourself, mama. You set it and we there, enjoy it and thing, give thanks and everything, Yeah. All right, people, I know the levels and I know the number and thing. Ragashanti live. I want to just call in, but I want to call in both and talk up with something. Them. Do remember again, say come September, the people them say, well, it's 10 o'clock to 12. But the Friday show is still 9 o'clock to 12, I was told. But it's the 10 o'clock to 12 that is going to be simulcast and things. So, some structural changes and things like that. All right? 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. People them have want something up here named celery. Prissy, you eat celery? You eat celery? When me just come foreign, I'm going to go bossy people event. And them have them little thing with them. Not hors d'oeuvres. Or as Oliver Samuels in one of place, horses, hoovers. Not those. But they would just say like a dip. So I find it, I know this is quite normal with a lot of you, but it wasn't normal for me. When we grew up at Jamaica and them say, look a veg in the food. Vegetable in a food was limited to cabbage, carrot, and if things are going for you, little mayo could have in that. Right? That was it for vegetable. Whenever we eat dinner, grew up at Jamaica, and them say vegetable in it, you get little raw cabbage, or little carrot, sometimes just a carrot upon the side, or the carrot mixed with the raw cabbage. And if, we just get the cabbage and the raw carrot. When we get big or whatever, look at time, we hear about something named mayo. I'm like, what is that? Mayo? What is that? So that we grew up with as veg. Me never like vegetable. Right? So when my mother and I look and whatever, there was nothing more annoying to me than when I eat my dinner and I never have no pocket. Me never like when I eat my dinner and vegetable, then I never have no pocket. You know why? Yeah. Me used to take out my vegetable and put it in my pocket and tell my mother I say me eat the vegetable because, yeah, me did eat vegetable, I never like vegetable at that time. Now, that being said, people, we actually grew up and eat no vegetable, but we never call it vegetable. Jamaica eat no vegetable, but we don't call vegetable. Not only we don't call it vegetable, we call it meat kind. We call it meat kind. Right? And the idea here is that Jamaicans make this distinction between starch, ground provisions, and meat. Starch, rice, dumpling, ground provision, banana, yam, dashing, cocoa, and thing, and meat. But when we grew up and you're pouring out of money, meat was a luxury. So the substitute for meat, the common substitute for meat was with ackee, it was with callaloo, it was with cabbage, and them something. No, those were vegetables, we just never look on it as vegetable. And them they just season up and thing and taste good and whatever. So that was like a substitute for the meat. So in my mind, people ask me like, they must have me not eat the vegetable. But really, we were eating vegetable. Callaloo, pop. Up here, there's a pak choy. We say pap chow. And things. So I eat vegetable a long time, But I mean, cook up and steam up and all these things and whatever. But we just never look upon it as vegetable. And when me come America, and me go bossy event, and white people have this thing where them have celery and carrot and one dip, and them just dip it and yam it and whatever. It was the strangest thing to me. But then them just eat this thing, and the celery something there. One day I go try the celery something to rot it. I never taste nothing bad, so whatever. I just take time walk and go pity out. And pity out. I say, oh, them eat them something here. And then now them have them dip it, you know. And one of the common thing them when them dip it in here, ranch. You know ranch, the creamy ranch. And them love that one day, you know. So very hard for the creamy ranch. And I just thought like, you dip carrot, you dip celery, you dip them something and you yam them. So for years, I not touch them something. Then when me start going at juicing now, there was this thing I know where people juice and you just drink the juice. So I said, no, sir, that is the strangest thing. Juice is sweetened. Not only juice is sweetened, nutmeg fina juice. Look at vanilla fina carrot juice and them something there. And if it's sweetened and it better when it, me never like when carrot juice sweetened with sugar, you know. My go up with the condensed milk and whatever. Turns out them thing then are bad for people, you know, say your boy right here, Ragashanti. Me make celery juice now, you know. The same celery there, you know. Yeah, man, me have one juice where you just put the celery right in there and the juice come out and thing or whatever. I drink my celery juice. Me eat my celery raw, right, you know. When me a juice, me no sweeten my juice them, you know. Me no want my juice them sweeten. But I have adapted to the taste now, you know, just the natural juice taste and thing. But you know, so when me I grow up, me know so that just tastes bad to me. So you have all these things, you know, when my juice, my beet and thing or whatever. Yo, me have a juice so I can't juice cabbage, you know, man. And me if I tell you, man, and all these things and whatever, so I do my look at thing, you know, and whatever. But I just look on the journey and I say, but look at that thing. Me never grew up on them something, yeah. And then when I come to people, I eat them sitting and whatever, I say, them taste bad something and then white people I eat and whatever, and ray. And see me there, you know, me eat my celery, me eat my carrot and thing. Me don't like when it's sweetened. Me don't like nothing too sweet, right, you know, me don't like them so. 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Greetings, hello. Hello.
Raga.
Blessings. Yeah, man.
Everything good?
Proper. Everything proper. Blessed, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know, say, I'm in the column on the gun and I tell about TamFam still.
Oh, yeah, see, yeah, recognize your voice. Yeah, wagwa.
You know, some day I go on. I blind my name still, you know.
What your name?
Blinds.
What your name?
Blinds.
Blinds as in the name of what you used to call Mr. Siaga?
Yeah.
Oh, Blinds? Okay. Why your name Blinds?
Because I'm visually impaired and thing, you see me?
Oh, okay, all right. But what, you can see a little bit, or are you, you're unable to see?
Oh, no, I can't glimpse.
You can't glimpse? Okay, seeing. So what go?
You know, some day I say, but here I go now. Yesterday, last lady, we called Monday gone. The last lady we end the program, man.
I remember, the call, tell me now.
Alien, man.
Oh, you mean old school alien? You say alien for a long time, don't?
Yeah, man, she's someone from Arlington town, you know?
Yeah, but she said she's not. She said, no, she's Missy E.
No, man. She's same man. A general, you know?
No, man. Several people call me and say, Raga, alien that, man. Our alien that from long time. And she see him on the device. Can't hide.
Yeah. She's same one, you see it?
Yeah. But what you think about she said? When I say alien, I say not alien this, and she said, who is that? Who name so? What you think I go on this?
Why I don't know, you know?
Huh?
Why I don't know?
You sure it's alien? Whatever. What if it's somebody
No,
else?
man, she's him. Watch you know?
Huh?
I listen from a long time in Raga. A long time, listener and thing, you know?
Yeah.
Pan different radio station and thing, you know. So I know it's she, man.
She, a alien, though. But she name Missy E. Like she want, when you think she a Missy Elliott, don't?
Yeah. Program.
I got it, all right. But that is just what I would know, right?
Yeah, man, I'm big up, multi-talented, you know?
All right. Yeah, she get back her phone. Are you the thief her phone?
No, sir.
Okay, let's ask. But tell me something, I'm just curious. You remember say you call and you tell about football and all them something there, whatever. I know you say you're impaired. Can you see enough to watch it or you can't see enough for it?
No, I watch it now. I never burn blind and thing, you know.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But the ball about then, you see me?
Oh, zin.
Well, you don't know the style kind of go a little bit and thing, but on the Raga,
yeah.
Me not really worry about it and things still, because it's not like say, yo, my born and I don't see the world before.
Right.
Because you have people blind and never seen the world before, you see me?
Right.
So me not make it trouble me and things still.
Okay.
Yeah. Indeed.
Okay. No, we just want it's a big respect to how you're positive and thing, and you know, you continue, you enjoy what you enjoy, and you make sure say, you know, when you say it, make you worry, I know what that means. Basically, you're saying you not gonna make it become despondent about it and live your life in a despair and regret and a sorry for yourself and the why me complex and all them something that you move on and thing, and that is good. That is inspirational.
Good and is it?
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. All right.
Hold on there. One more thing, Raga.
Yeah.
Remember this lady, my name Lady D.
Yeah.
Long time I never found her and thing, man.
Lady D, they about see me, man. She and her sister, them and her daughter, man.
Yeah. Mr. Alpha Red and things still, you know.
Yeah, she all lose weight what they wear sexy bath suit and all them something. They're traveling a lot and all these things and whatever, and you know, doing really well, you know.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, man. Let's pick up the whole way now.
Well, and Lady D, they come from one place named Treadlight. That's what she did come from, one place named
Treadlight.
Yeah, Treadlight. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself. Here, sir.
Crazy. And the whole crew, you know?
Man thing. It goes some man. Balance.
Awesome.
Alright, well, that's one. You know what I say? Me come back in a situation. Me did a travel, you know, as you know, me did a travel and I deal with some things and forward and some drama I go down, which I'll deal with on Friday and free up. You know, Friday at 1 o'clock and free up, and then later on I have the show at 2 and whatever. So my Fridays now are going to be all about show now. And then today now, when I you know, a friend who we know, she's a doctor, and you know, from no less she went to Harvard University, you know, this is she get that. And now she's just struck with a fatal illness and thing, and them I say, boy, you don't look good, you know. No, Kevin, is on Friday now. Friday, free up a keep on Friday now, yeah? I said, boy, every now and then we have to just remind myself, you know, you can't get yourself mired down in a negativity and all kind of thing and whatever. And people carelessness and them pettiness and them foolishness and whatever way. It's kind of like a distraction and thing, you know. While you can there live low out them things and just enjoy life, yeah, man, because you know you can have it made, you know. You can have everything in the world and just like that, an affliction can come upon you, and all the material things and the wealth and the degree and all these things and the big university where means nothing. Means nothing when you come face to face with your mortality. We all come in this place named Earth with that thing named life, and everybody have to tread on. None of us can avoid that departure lounge. None of us can avoid that departure lounge. The whole of we have to go left here, so. Nothing new me I tell you, nothing new me I tell you. Just a reminder. Enjoy on the life, yeah, man. Enjoy on the life. And just know, be reminded again When you go through life, things are going to happen. Life happens and some negatives will come upon you and all these things and whatever. Avoid being sorry for yourself and whatever. Fight the battles that you absolutely have to fight. Ignore the ones you don't have to fight. And keep it moving. And keep a smile on your face. Laugh, learn, and grow. Laugh, learn, and grow. Keep a smile on your face. And it helps if that smile is genuine. It helps if what is producing that smile is something positive from within. All right? Hello, good night. Hello. 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 I don't. I don't hear nobody. 876-676-4996. How much time left? We have about 8 minutes to go. 876-676-4996. I am not hearing anybody. Well, okay. Oh, yeah, I hear him now. Well, on this sound like... Yeah. Hello?
Good night. What going on, man?
Good day, Anna. What going with you?
Boy, you know how long me I try to get on upon this program for a week before last, brother.
Look here now. You're lucky in and thing. What go down?
Boy, I tell you, say, last week I talk about one juice, you know, say Sunday my mother look about some nice pumpkin juice with dragon and supplement, everything, man.
All right. When your mother make a pumpkin juice, right? Because me try to tell people, say, my Aunt Bibsy, may her soul rest in peace, she could have make yam juice, pumpkin juice, she make Irish potato juice. My auntie make juice out of any ground produce and thing. Banana juice and them something. When she make a pumpkin juice, she boil the pumpkin first?
Yeah, man. You have to peel the pumpkin and boil the pumpkin.
Yeah.
You have to make it cool and you blend it out.
Well, she not boil the pumpkin too long, though.
No, man. I kind of want it too soft.
Right, okay. Right. And then what?
Just spice up our pumpkin. You have a dragon, you have a supplement, you have a tin milk, you have a nutmeg.
Hold on. Dragon, supplement, look at tin milk, nutmeg, any vanilla?
Yeah.
Any vanilla?
Yeah, man, you have a vanilla, you know, like an almond spice.
Yeah.
Cinnamon, just to spice them up.
All right.
So we get with Sunday dinner and drink up juice, and she have a special back in her fridge for her father, So she freeze that. So, Monday morning, we're look about Sunday, Monday.
Yeah.
Just a bomb snow.
Yeah.
We thing there. Put it star out, So we drink coffee sweet part first.
What you mean you drink coffee sweet part?
It's when it just star out, so it have a sweet. So, we throw it sweet part and put the rest. Me do raga.
What you do?
You can't talk too loud because you're here. Me full up the back with water.
Oh, Jesus, God. This was your father, Juice, you talk about?
Man.
You're a wicked lad. You are a wicked lad. You drink half you drink half the sweet part and thing and give your father the icy part with water down and then you go throw more water upon it and that.
Water upon it again. Now watch I funny thing. When me see her with the back of the town, so they get some juice now.
Jesus, you know what you did? That was criminal. You need to be prosecuted. You need to go in front of Judge Pews. We need to call a commissioner of police. But when name Anthony, we need to call a commissioner of police. But what you did was criminal. You drink coffee sweet part and thing. We probably have all that nourishment and thing. And give your father the water down ice part of the pumpkin juice. Nice, good pumpkin juice.
The pumpkin juice, body the raga.
You see it? Oh, yeah, well, you know what I said? Them are pumpkin flavored thing, particularly in October around Halloween time or whatever. But they ain't even all that. For the very reason that them not have the vanilla something that we talk about. Them not have them little thing there, the nutmeg and vanilla and them something that we put on it. Hey, when my mother make carrot juice when we up till the day, me not know nobody make carrot juice and it tastes like how my auntie and my mother make carrot juice. Up till the day.
Yeah, already in a raga, when me have a cousin come from farm and they put and my mother make some pumpkin juice, give me now. Man, call for me and say, oh Lord, because it didn't make me such a lovely juice. It's so nice. Oh God, man, when you come and get that, man, it come like a joy to them.
See it there. The real thing, man. I drink carrot juice up here, I tell you. I mean, me make my own carrot juice, but it's just straight. I just blend it and I just juice it and just drink it like that. But when Jamaican restaurant them make it and thing, I don't know, it just not have that something there, and I guess it's because them not put them little something there where Jamaican them put in it, you know.
A little touch, you know.
Yeah. We'll give thanks here with that thing. All right.
Yeah, man. I'm going to ask you, Rag. I'm not the right time to ask you.
Yeah, you have about 3 minutes. You have about 2 to 3 minutes, yeah. Mm-hmm.
That does something quick. I'm going to think this right. You listen to IrieJam, right?
Yeah.
All right. You know one lady by the name Kabu?
One lady by IrieJam name what?
Yeah, Sunday morning, your name will come near Kabu.
Kabu?
Yeah.
Go on talk, yeah.
All right. You remember that Jamaica celebrates 60 years anniversary?
Yeah. Is celebrating 60 years,
Yeah. All right. Stand corrected. Watch out now. Somebody call on the show and say something, man. It really upset me. You know what them say? That sick them stomach. Turn their stomach.
What sick them stomach? What she say?
The Gangala where they keep a town.
And what? Did you say why it's sick her stomach?
And she, you know, the person call and say sick their stomach and she a back the anthem of foolishness. And you know, because they're not supposed to keep them big something like Jamaica and independence. But I mean, come on, man. It's our country.
So, but what is your reaction to that?
What is my reaction to that?
Yeah.
We're not supposed to say that we have to say we're not enslaved no more. At least we can walk free without people have to tell you where to go and where not to go. You get me? Although we can't say, but Jamaica one nice place. Come on, man.
They are more than likely coming from the orientation that I am on record consistently saying I think it's one of the biggest con that run in the world, where Britain, which was like the biggest colonial empire out of Europe eventually, you know, we're talking about from the United States to India to Asia, all over. And for them to tell nations that, after we enslave you and get richer for you and pillage you and steal from you and rape you, we're giving you independence now. But the Queen, the royal family, who did run everything, the same royal family, them still at the head of state for your country, right? So a lot of people still cut up about that, and them things it's foolishness, you know. But hold on. But what I'm hearing from you is the other side of the narrative that say, yes, that's true, but at the same time, a lot has changed. We have a lot to be proud of. We have accomplished a lot, and you know, we have been celebrating the actual year that on paper we supposedly got independence. And in celebrating that independence, we have celebrated some positives about ourselves, and there is nothing wrong with that. So rather than just being mired in negativity, you know, as a consequence of what colonialism did to us, we can acknowledge that and say, that is a bad thing. The residues of that is still very much present in our society and, unfortunately, in our collective cerebral functioning, in our minds. But at the same time, we have overcome a lot, and we have Jamaica has a lot to be proud of, and there's nothing wrong with celebrating that on what we can refer to as our birthday. All right? All right, people, that is it for me tonight. And I like the vibes of the show. I love the vibes of the show. And people, you know, when I stay up and the thing I build away there, as I tell people, not so patient. And I like the atmosphere. I love how the energy is playful, it's provocative, it's revealing, it's exploring, and it's fun. Laugh, learn, and grow. I like it, and thing. So I'll be back on Friday night, of course, for another show. And of course, Friday afternoon, we'll have free up also, 1 o'clock, over upon Ragashanti TV with me. All right? Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Free up. The realest Jamaican talk show out there. All right? 1 o'clock U.S. Eastern Time, 12 o'clock Jamaica time this Friday 1 o'clock. So remember now, people, free up, move from Thursday and gone to Friday, 1 o'clock. Take care of yourself, people. Clean in the bathroom and things like that. And whatever, make sure someone clean in the bathroom and get out the black and the little sitting them on underneath the toilet thing, the one where the water come from and all them something. All right. Over to the road.
Wow, wow!